Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Pinterest, Snapchat, Instagram, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. I don't even know what accent I do every time. I'm always like, very, very girly. Alright, chat. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Hi. Today I will be doing like a spa type of video. I love giving myself like little spa days at home. Spa days with the girlies.
Except it's just me.
What I do with a makeshift spa day at my home, because Lord knows I cannot afford a real spa day anywhere. Actually sponsored by Fleur and Bee, and they have the cutest skincare. It's vegan. It's just everything you want in skincare. So I will 100% be incorporating these into my spa day, and I'll show you how the products work and how they feel and all that jazz. First, I'm going to show you the packaging that they sent their products in. It says, "Do you naturally." They are 100% vegan skincare that actually just launched, y'all. It's high quality natural skincare. Isn't super expensive. They sent me this really cute note, and it has a little bee on the top corner. Just so freaking cute. Oh my god. And then it just says, "Do you naturally." We stand that. So of course the link to them will be down below. It says "Made with Care for Jennifer" down here, which is so cute. I'm a huge sucker for pink packaging. This is how they come if you do order them for yourself. Let's incorporate them into our spa day. Hi guys, we're in my kitchen. So random, so weird, but I'm gonna show you how to have your own spa day. So a DIY spa day. Spa day. Spa day. Spa day. Oh, oh, oh. First things first, put on music. I was just blasting some music. I have my own like Spotify playlist, but definitely put on a really calming playlist or upbeat playlist, whatever you want. Sometimes I play lo-fi, sometimes I literally play like indie alternative music, so just like, you know, just depends on your mood. And another thing about spas is getting the scent of spas. Spas are all about like essential oils. Would really recommend using candles with essential oils. I actually love this candle. This is my cinnamon spice vanilla candle from Bath and Body Works, and it's made with essential oils, so it's gonna be super nice lit. But if you want the traditional spa scent, eucalyptus and lavender are definitely the scents that you'd want. And if you have an essential oil diffuser, I don't, but I actually do have a couple essential oils that we're gonna be using in a DIY project in a bit. So now I'm gonna go put on slippers and a robe, because that is the ultimate spa experience, so. It's hot. It's kind of hot, so I'm gonna take off my robe. I'm sorry. The next big thing about a spa day is having that water with vegetables in it. Just detoxifying and like putting in berries and stuff in your water, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But obviously it'd be better if you had like an infuser, but I have a mason jar. I said this was a cheap spa day DIY, so we have our mason jar, we have our Brita. That's how you make water. Then I'm gonna pick some berries out from the fridge. You could use cucumbers, you could use mint. I wish I had mint, that would be fun. Cheers to like really healthy living. I really feel like an LA girl now. Ah, water. But listen, this is a true spa experience. Now I'm outside, just to do things outside because it's actually nice out, so I might as well be outside. Now let's use these products. How exactly these products come. It's like in a matte pink packaging, so it like feels good too, you know what I mean? First things first, this is one of my favorite things ever. I love spraying things on my face. I just love the feeling. So natural ingredients, no nasty toxins, and here it says exactly what the ingredients are right on the side. Paraben free, sulfate free, 100% vegan, gluten free, non-GMO. Spritz onto your face for morning or nightly refresh. Use before a serum or moisturizer. 1% donated to charity. Oh my god, that's so nice. Really cute product. I love their packaging for this. Like, look at this rose, gold, white, and black. Like, I love this so much. Refreshing toner is made from pure rose water, a natural cleanser. It will remove dirt and oil while minimizing the appearance of pores. Next is the serum. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto fingertips, then smooth onto face. So here it comes with another little slip, and it says it's what's on the inside that matters. Our vitamin C serum is rich with antioxidants and designed to brighten and tighten your skin. Vitamin C, vitamin E, jojoba oil. Jojoba oil? I don't know exactly how to say that, but... Oh! That's like tingling, but like in a very nice way. Oh my god, love that. I really like that serum. Oh my god. Next in my little spa day is the moisturizing face cream. I need face creams. Like, face creams save my life. Like, I use face creams all the time. So with me, moisturizers are everything. Moisturizers really help my skin, so I'm super excited to see how this one works. Inside here is vitamin C, aloe, and vitamin B3. Love that there's aloe in there. That is such a good component for any moisturizer or any skincare, really. So this is it. How freaking cute is this? Oh my god. Always make sure to bring moisturizer down to the neck. This one's the most neutral out of all of them, scent-wise. Last but not least for the face is gonna be the Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And again, these are all cruelty-free, no nasty toxins, and all that jazz. Here it says in cute little script, like, ingredients from the earth. Oh my god, we stan. That's so cute. I apply eye cream every night. Honestly, once you hit 20, you should be applying eye cream every night to just prevent wrinkles. So this is such a crucial step. And this has squalene on it, which is a natural moisturizer, vitamin E, and vitamin B3. So it's very delicate around your eyes, which is so important. Oh my god, that smells so pleasant. Oh, that smells so nice. Ooh, I like the scent. That smells so pleasant. Oh my god, it smells so very floral, but like not artificial floral, like natural floral. My face is like tingling in a very like pleasant, lovely way. So now I'm just gonna kind of sit outside, drink my water, and just be on my phone for a little bit, and I'm just gonna chill here. So hot. Okay, great. I know it's literally summer, but I love winter scents, so I'm using the Bath Bevy Snow Wave Vanilla and Almond. So these are really fine bath salts, which mean that they dissolve very easily, and like they give some bubbles, but it's mostly just like the smell it gives, which is so nice. And it gives like a moisture. Usually I do bath bombs, but surprisingly today I just wasn't in a bath bomb mood. So I really wanted bath salts, which I feel like bath salts are so underrated. Hello, bath salts are amazing. My ring light broke in the middle of filming this video. So now I'm using a table lamp. And I just have like my berry basket. I got this berry basket from the dollar section at Target. And I just have some blueberries in there because I'm really in the blueberry mood. And these blueberries are so good. I don't have like the biggest bathtub ever. This is like makeshift DIY spa, so I'm letting like the serum, the moisturizer just work its magic during the morning, because it really is morning right now. I literally have my bathtub so hot, like it's a hot tub. And we're actually gonna be doing like a foot bath thing. Like, we're going all out, girlies. Like, this is a real spa moment. I mean, not really, but kind of. I'm probably gonna head out now. That was a nice little hot tub moment for me. I'm sweating, so that's great. All right, let's get out. I've been soaking in here for like 30 minutes, so let's go. Right after a bath, I really need to like moisturize my body because it always feels dry no matter how many like moisturizers and stuff I use. I always just have to. I'm gonna go in with some body butter and just moisturize. And also now I'm gonna paint my nails. My nails are like chipping right now, as you can see. A spa day manicure. I'm just watching Jeffree Star right now. I actually really stan Urban Outfitter nail polishes, so I'm gonna use this color right now. I'm in the mood for something darker, and I also have this random top coat. I don't even know what it is. Complete Care, Sally Hansen. Okay, so yeah. This is not gonna be a tutorial because I am not a professional. I'm just including y'all in my spa day. She's done. Is she perfect? No, but from far away, she looks great. Just painted them this dark color. All right, now we're gonna make the foot bath. All right, so it's gonna be 1 cup of salt. Basically, a foot soak is not that complicated. Just put hot water in a thing and you put a bunch of salt in, and then you put essential oils. They recommend peppermint. And I have tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is more pepperminty, so I'm just gonna put that in. So I'm just gonna have this under the table while I like respond to emails. A bunch of salt, tea tree oil in here, because that's normal. This is a casual Friday morning for me. It smells like so much tea tree oil. Oh my god. I've actually never done a foot soak before, so this is interesting. I put in a bunch of ice cubes to make it colder, but okay, now I'm relaxing. The essential oils add so much to this foot bath. It's so weird, but like, to be honest, like, it made it moisturizing in a weird way. I mean, it's an oil, so that makes sense. Really random foot bath. The one bad thing about this foot bath right now is that I have an open cut, so the salt, the rest of my foot feels good. The salt feels good on the rest of my foot, so that's an interesting revelation I made today. I'm actually not in the mood to do a mask because I have so much moisture on my face because of the Fleur and Bee product. So like, I'm so moisturized, y'all. I'm so good. But yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm just gonna keep enjoying my little foot bath. It actually feels good now that my feet are in it. I like it. It's a little weird, but I like it. Okay, guys, so thank you so much, Fleur and Bee, and these products are so cute and they feel so good on my skin, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my makeshift spa day, and I hope you guys enjoyed these vegan products that are actually less expensive than a lot of other brands. So if you're looking for 100% vegan and clean natural skincare, here it is. Link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.